Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 18 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So because of some health issues and because of the office work, I was not able to upload the videos. Henceforth, I'll be update uploading the videos on a regular basis. So yesterday's trading session, what I did, first of all, before moving to the trade which I had taken, so the important thing to yesterday on the expiry day, we had seen some double top formation at around almost 22,080 odd levels with respect to the price action on the particular on Thursday session. If you observe at this point, we had a high of around 22,080, and even at on the same day at around 11 o'clock, we had seen around the same high of around 20,080. So where there was a double top formation at this point, I was not able to capture at this point. But however, after this, Nifty made however, we had seen a huge gap up, and then there was a sideways consolidation. Afterwards, it gave a breakdown and it took a support around 200 moving average on a 5 minute time frame basis. With that aspect, what I did is I saw this pattern being formed over here. There was this fall, and then there was this pattern being formed along which where the Nifty was trying to move along this pattern, wherein it was consolidating in this pattern over here. So I made an entry over here somewhere in the 22,000 P, particularly. And let me take you to the console wherein I will show you the position which I had for the overnight, wherein I had made an entry in 22,000 to 22,000 PE for this monthly expiry. So 300 quantities, and the capital that I used was around 30,000 and another 1,800. So 30,000, around 31,800 was the capital that I used for this trade. However, because if you see my average was around at 106, however, the closing was at 88 rupees. So ultimately, it was because I had made, if I go to the Nifty chart over here, this was the pattern I was talking about, and there was a consolidation at this point. And another trend line was happening at this point. Let me delete this and redraw again. So this was a zone wherein the Nifty was forming a pattern, and along with this, from this top, there was this sort of pattern wherein there was double confluence at this point. If I particularly observe for this trend line, so and along with this pattern on in a small another in this channel pattern, so there was a double confluence at this point. Hence, I held my position. Uh, so early morning. So today we saw a huge gap down, and however Nifty went on to make a low of around 21,790. But however, I was not able to capture the entire move. Let me go to the position over here for the today's session. For the 22,200 PE, I squared off my position with 3,000 profit. However, let me show you the order history wherein 22,200, 22,000 PE, I closed off at almost like 918, and anticipating that it will take 200 moving average support over here if I move on to the Nifty chart. This is what my target was actually over here, the low of this point. However, it filled up this gap, particularly in the which had left on the Thursday session. On the Wednesday and Thursday, we had a huge gap up. So this zone it has been filled out, and then there was a huge momentum in the on the upside. But however, this premium went on to make an high of around 160, wherein my exit was around at 170. However, the exit was not that great, but my anticipation was that the Nifty would take support around 200 moving average, and even there were a couple of instances wherein in the second candle also the Nifty tried to held around 960 odd levels, but later on in one candle itself it gave a breakdown. So, however, it was a good trade, and I was able to capture around 3,200 with this. Almost like if I use around 31,800 as the capital, and the percentage of the return that I got from this investment was around 10%. So, which is a good one with regards to the capital that I used and the momentum which I got on the downside. So I'll be doing a live session tomorrow for the market analysis, and please do join for that. And that's it for the today's day 18, and I'll be uploading about the hence for the entire this series. I'll be completing the second series. So see you in the next video. Bye.